in the playoffs. Playoffs? Somebody say playoffs? Go ahead, John. You got any words
No
for us?
answer. Just because the Colts.
Alright. Beginning of the season, I said if the Colts made the playoffs, I would do Snow Angels. I'm a huge Colts fan. Everybody's been a little down since Peyton Manning left, then we drafted the amazing Andrew Luck. We've got a great team going now. And I gotta live up to my promise. Mother Nature has abided with a blizzard today. And let's make some more Snow Angels.
Here you go, Smoke.
Got a big patch of blank snow right over here.
Oh.
First attempt.
Here you go, Colts fans.
Go Colts! Woo! Oh! Yeah, baby! Yeah! 10-5! Woo! Woo! Oh!
Go Colts!
There you go. That's right.
I'm going in.